Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, it's come to the end of 2023 and I want to be giving out some awards. Now, this first award, it's called Having a Go. Now, what does that mean? Well, if they're doing something, they're putting themselves on the line, they're really trying and really they might have expanded their business or they've gone somewhere completely new and a little bit risky, but they're just having a big go. I love that about people. So this first recipient of this award of Having a Go is going to be Sean and Melanie Thomas. Now they own Perth Flood and Fire Services, and they've come from the cleaning background, from the carpet cleaning background, gone into restoration. And he's gone and done some training, one-day courses. He's done the flood house. Sean has done the flood house course. Melanie's stuck holding the fort while he's away. And he's done a lot of training and done a lot of research. And he is out there, Sean is out there, talking to a lot of other people in the restoration industry, sharing his experience, sharing his passion for other people in the industry, to say, hey, this equipment I looked at, and this equipment and that equipment. So these guys have really, really, really stepped out of their boundaries and started a new business venture in Perth and are going extremely well. And I just wanted to put a congratulation out to you guys. Well done, Sean and Melanie. You're doing fantastic. Keep up the good work. And you're a recipient for Having a Go. You're getting $100 from Restore Solutions. And mate, I hope you guys have a good Christmas and Happy New Year, and keep at it next year. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to do in 2024. Thanks again, and keep up the good work.